Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove Strikethrough text in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show remove Strikethrough text. Now select from a Strikethrough text. Now go into the Home menu option, then click for a font setting option. Then show for the interface. Now remove from the Strikethrough box, then click for OK. That it. Now you can see, then show Strikethrough from remove, then select from another Strikethrough text. Now go into the font setting option, then remove from the Strikethrough. Now for OK. That it. Then again another text, apply from the same process. That's now you can see remove Strikethrough text in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for